everybody, this is the tutorial for Just a Man. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. To play the song the easiest, we need a capo on the 3rd fret. If you're in need of a capo, there is a link to one in the description below. However, let's delve in with the introduction. And what we're going to do is build a 3 on the E string. This is in reference to the capo. We then have a 3 on the B string. And for now, we don't need anything else. What happens is we play that low E string, and then the G, which is an open string, and the 3 on the B string. We then play 2 on the A string, followed by the same G and B strings, and then 3 on the A string, and then repeat that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is going to be quite a big part of the song, so it's well worth getting used to that. If you play that round twice, you get yourself the introduction. Now, a large part of the first half of the song is going to be taking that and looping it round. There is also some chords you can play if you want to flesh out the chords a little bit. So the chords would be G major, B minor, and C major, which you could play like this. Then later on the song, we get to a second chorus, and that chorus changes how it's played. Lyrically, it's very similar, but the chords change. So it is worth mentioning that what I've done is, over on Patreon, I've wrote out the chord chart, which has the full structure, and all the chords within that structure, as well as a sheet of the chords and the lyrics matched up. Let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord goes with which lyric. Well, over on Patreon, I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases. However, let's delve in with this new chorus, where we play an E minor chord, followed by a D major chord, and then an A minor. And what I'm doing is I'm playing the lowest note of the chord, followed by the remainder of the chord. And if you loop that round 4 times, you will get that second chorus. And then at that point, it starts to go back and forth between the usual set of notes and the E minor, D and A minor. You can quite easily hear it on the track, or you can follow it along with what I've wrote on Patreon. However, that is largely it. 2 main parts to get through this song, so quite an easy one to play along with. So if you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe, which really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material over on Patreon. In fact, I want to say a quick thank you to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons. So when this video goes live, they will get access to that content straight away. So thanks to them for their support, thanks to you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.